Hi everyone, welcome to tonight's box break. Today we're gonna open a Panini limited box. Here is the screen for the last team that was on auction yesterday, the Winnipeg Jets. And here is the serial number of the Panini limited box we're gonna open in just a few seconds. Good luck to everyone. First card for the Montreal Canadiens, Brian Jonta. This one is numbered of 299, sorry. Next we have Matt Molson for the New York Islanders, also numbered of 299. Next, Dale Talon for the Chicago Blackhawks, numbered of 299. Next, what do we have here? Oh, Ryan Johansson, rookie Phantoms for the Columbus Blue Jackets. This one is numbered of 299. Next, New York Rangers, Marian Gaborik jersey. Those are numbered of 99. Oh wow, beautiful two-color patch jumbo from Paul Stastny, Colorado Avalanche, numbered of 50. And last card for the Calgary Flames, Jarome Iginla, trademarks team. Those are numbered of 49. So that concludes our box for today. I'm gonna be away for a week. My next box will be next week, probably Sunday or Monday of the following week. But in the meantime, my friend Jerome has a few box going on hockeyboxbreak.com, our common website. And that's it, so you can go bid on those for the next week. Thanks.